My name is Thomas, and today I'm tinkering on this all-new, redesigned 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLS AMG 63 as fast as possible. Damn, that's quite a mouthful. To start us off, sleeping underneath the hood is the combustion centerpiece that makes this car so special. A handcraft 4.0-liter V8 bi-turbo engine with EQ boost start generator. And what that means for you is that when this engine is awakened, it is cranking out 603 horsepower with 627 pound-foot of torque to accelerate you from 0 to 60 in 4.1 seconds when coupled with the 9-speed transmission and electric motor that will crank out an extra 21 horsepower and 184 pound-foot of torque. And with the electronically limited top speed of 174 miles per hour and a third row of seating, this fire-breathing, family-friendly SUV still comes with all the impressive Mercedes-Benz features you'd expect. Hey Mercedes!
How can I help?
And the uncanny human aspects of the GLS don't stop at being able to hold a conversation. Like with most aspects of what we think of as a car, Mercedes takes it one step further and creates its high-class environment by considering all of the little things, including the numerous types of situations you'll be in with your vehicle. Allow me to explain. Much like you and I, most vehicles are to some degree aware of their extremities, like knowing when a door or the hood is still open. But for the GLS, that's child's play. Let's say you have to put the middle row of seats down to bring home your local zoo. If you're short enough, you have an advantage with most vehicles. The front seat is further forwards and you won't have a problem lowering the seat behind you. But, unlike so many brands, Mercedes has remembered people can grow to be over 5'2". If the front seat is too far back and you go to do the same thing, the GLS knows and will automatically move the seat out of the way for you, saving your time and that annoying little extra step. Most people have been in this situation, and yes, it seems almost pointless, so you might be wondering why I'm putting so much emphasis on it. Like a swear jar, it can add up over time, so that is why the engineers at Mercedes used this level of consideration to design the entire vehicle. This just being one of the tricks this SUV has up its sleeves. The GLS then, to me, stands for Giant Living SUV, because it truly is watching out for you. But that's it. That's my as fast as possible runaround of this all-new, redesigned 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLS AMG 63. It's still a mouthful. My name is Thomas. If you like what I do here, feel free to subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace. That is a racket. Any day now that's gonna stop. Any day now.